Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is full course lab CCNA Practical. So let's get started. Introduction to Cisco ASA. ASA stands for Adaptive Security Appliance, a dedicated Cisco device used as a firewall having multiple security features. ASA Firewall comes as a next-generation firewall and performs different functions for the network security. These features are stateful packet inspection, URL filtering, next-generation IPS, advanced malware protection, application and visibility controls, identity-based access controls, deep packet inspection. What services does ASA provide? Proprietary operating system, uses an OS used specifically for the purpose of security. Stateful packet inspection, has the state table and recognizes the type of traffic based on the session table. Application-aware inspection, ASA has the ability to perform inspection at the layer 7 of the OC model. It can inspect the traffic regardless of the default ports. Network address translation, ASA supports NAT functions. DHCP server, ASA can access DHCP server for IP assignment. Support for routing, supports the configuration of IGP such as RIP, IGRP and OSPF. High availability. Multiple firewalls are deployed in network to provide high availability and reliability and works in modes like active/standby or active/active. Multiple firewalls can be clustered or grouped together in a logical one. Support for AAA, ASA can work as authentication, authorization, and accounting server. Virtual private network, supports the configuration of the VPN for connecting the sites or provide access to user for access the corporate network. Security context, also called as virtual firewall. A single ASA firewall acts as a separate dedicated virtual firewall. The creation of context depends on license and is used in service provider companies. Managing Cisco ASA, we can manage ASA firewall through CLI or GUI. For accessing the ASA and CLI we use the console port of the ASA. For accessing the ASA and GUI, we use the management port with an IP address being assigned. This port is usually used for advanced configure ASA security levels. Each interface of the ASA uses a security level which is a number between 0 to 100. This number defines the trustworthiness of the network that the interface is connected to. The bigger the number, the more trust you have in the network. For example, security level for internal network is 100, outside network has the level of 0 while DMZ has security level set to somewhere between 1 and 99, usually 50. By default, the higher level security interfaces can initiate traffic to a lower level. The stateful inspection determines whether the reply traffic is allowed to make it back through. By default, ASA stops all initial traffic from lower security levels to higher security levels. We can say that outside to LAN, not allowed. Outside to DMZ, not allowed. LAN to outside, allowed. LAN to DMZ, allowed. DMZ to outside, allowed. DMZ to inside, not allowed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friend.